So I'm getting ready to build a new coil winder, but I wanted to show you my old one. This thing is a beast. And if you can notice what kind of wood it is, I actually made it out of an old pair of wooden crutches. I don't waste anything. But here's the winding mechanism, and I wanted to show you all this because I'm going to use some of the some of its parts for the new one. So this is where originally the wire would have been mounted. This was a little portable screw gun, if you will, or yeah, one of those household screwdrivers, but the power one. And so I used that as a way to kind of power it, but I abandoned that and went with the crank model here. But again, it was made out of an old wooden crutch, and I'm replacing it with a little bit more modern setup. So the wire would go here. I'm going to put a mechanism here to crank it, a couple of spools, but they'll be inside here. That was my old Newman motor. Let's see if I can get that thing going again. But yeah, this was the old coil winding machine made out of a crutch. All right,